A little trick when you're welding little holes with a MIG welder, it's sometimes hard to get them to fill and they can get really sloppy. What you do is you take a penny and the earlier the better. The earlier they are, the more copper content they have. You can look that up online. So the reason why you want to use copper is if it's contacting the metal, you can actually, you can still ground your tip onto it. If it won't work, start right on the edge. When you're done with your hole, remember that this is really, really hot. So don't go grabbing that penny. You're gonna have a Lincoln's head embedded in your thumb. So it also seems that the penny acts a little bit like a heat sink and pulls some of the heat away from the weld, from the sheet metal, because I'm able to stay on that sheet metal a lot longer than I normally am without burning a hole through. So they make copper tools and everything you can buy, but in a pinch, use a penny. So I just gotta put it over the hole, and you gotta get your hand away from it because it'll heat up pretty good, and you don't want that burning your hand. That's kind of a terrible weld, but on the back side it keeps it nice and flat, nice and flush, and there's not much to grind on the back, if any at all. So just a little trick there for you.